Jane works in IT operations, managing multiple on-premise and hybrid resources that provide a number of key services to both internal and external customers for her company. Just over a year ago, she was asked by Robert, the application owner of their company's ServiceNow application, to set up monitoring for all ServiceNow resources, which have been distributed in multiple company-owned data centers, as well as across multiple cloud service providers. Jane is leveraging LogicMonitor for this purpose. This morning, there have been reports of issues with the ServiceNow application. It doesn't appear to be a general outage, but appears to be a partial service degradation. Robert is very concerned and asks Jane for any information she can provide to get to the root cause of this issue. Jane quickly loads the new LogicMonitor Resource Explorer interface. Using this interface, she is able to quickly filter out all resources based on just the resources assigned to the ServiceNow application by support group. Jane then groups the list of filtered resources by the same support group allocation, as well as by the provider. This gives Jane a good overall view of the entire hybrid environment, seeing here that there are a number of resources which are on-premise, noted as regular providers, and a number of resources that are in one of the three cloud service providers where this infrastructure is distributed, either Azure, AWS, or GCP. Intuitively looking at this, Jane can quickly eliminate that she does not need to be concerned with the cloud team, network team, voice team, application team, or database team because there are no red critical alerts taking place with resources in those areas. So focusing in on the server team and storage team, she is able to go even one click deeper and add, for example, location. Jane now knows the physical location of where these resources are having issues, and with one click on the critical alerts, she's able to start drilling in to what's actually taking place. Seeing here that the critical alerts triggered by this resource owned by the storage team are related to, it appears, the SSL certificate expiration. Jane then quickly saves this view for future reference and is able to share this view with Robert. Robert is able to see exactly the same thing that Jane is seeing and is able to quickly reach out to the storage team and have them resolve their HTTP certificate issue. Leveraging LogicMonitor and its new Resource Explorer interface, Jane is able to reduce the time it would typically take to troubleshoot this partial ServiceNow service degradation, enabling both Jane and Robert to easily collaborate and resolve the root cause of this issue in minutes, reducing any additional workload created by this issue.